Hey there, Instant Pot enthusiasts. If you're staring at that pesky error code C7 on your Instant Pot Duo and wondering how to get your cooking back on track, you've come to the right video. This error often pops up due to issues with the pressure sensor, lid problems, or even a simple blockage. Don't worry, it's usually an easy fix. I'm going to walk you through the steps to resolve it quickly, so you can get back to making your favorite meals without any hassle. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your Instant Pot and let it cool down completely before you start troubleshooting. This prevents any accidents and gives you a clear head to work with. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1. Check the lid. Make sure it's properly seated and that the sealing ring is in place and not damaged. Sometimes, a loose or worn-out seal can trigger this error. Give it a thorough inspection and clean any food residue that might be stuck. If it looks good, move on to Step 2. Inspect the steam release valve and the float valve for any blockages. Use a small brush or a toothpick to gently clear out any debris. These valves need to vent properly for the pot to function. Step 3. If that doesn't do the trick, try resetting your Instant Pot. Unplug it for about 10 minutes, then plug it back in and press the Cancel button followed by the Keep Warm button to reset. This can clear temporary glitches. Finally, if you're still seeing the C7 error, it might be time to check for firmware updates on the Instant Pot website or contact customer support. They can guide you further, especially if your model is from 2025 and might have specific updates. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning after each use can prevent these errors altogether. There you have it. Simple steps to fix error code C7 and keep your Instant Pot running smoothly. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more kitchen hacks. Happy cooking!